This feature allows organizations to connect external BI tools, such as Power BI, Tableau, or Excel, to DocBits data. Users can securely access read-only Postgres or ClickHouse tables containing document and processing information for analytics, dashboards, and reporting. DocBits provides two independent read-only data sources. 1. Read-only Postgres SQL contains structured operational data tied to document processing, ideal for traditional relational queries and incremental reporting. Enabled via Settings, Document Processing, Database Access, DB Access. 2. ClickHouse Direct Access. Optimized for analytical workloads, large datasets, and high-speed queries. Contains AI dashboard and warehouse data depending on enabled modules. Once enabled, both Postgres and ClickHouse provide read-only login credentials generated specifically for your organization. A list of available tables and schemas you can query. Connection details, host, port, username, password, database. Check out our other examples and use cases to see how this feature can help you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.